Hey guys, Adrian with Cigars and Guns. Wanted to show you this cool ass little lighter that I just got from Fuego Lighters. Thanks to those guys. So here's the package it came in. Unfortunately, the dicks at FedEx didn't quite handle it appropriately, even though the package said fragile. But they busted up this nice little case here. Otherwise, the product was still fine. You can see some little cracks here. Anyways, so here's a lighter, and it's really cool. Here's the main device here. You screw this cap on, which has the little grill here. Comes with a little cleaner, and then of course the USB connector, so you can charge this baby. And essentially what you do is by pressing this little button here, and it's really cool because if you can tell, it says Fuego Lighter on it. But you hold it down, and within literally a few seconds you can see the grill getting hot there, and it's hot. I mean, I wouldn't want to touch it right now, but really cool lighter. I've tried it out the other day. It was windy, worked perfectly. So let's check it out. A little shout out to Lujo Concepts on the BTX. I'm gonna smoke this little Ramon Ionis. Check it out. Let's watch it get hot. Just press it up against there. You can see that smoke. Light up a little more. There you go. That's still light. Fuego Lighters. Robusto Cigar Lighter. Check them out.